beginning.
Still in the forest, you guys. Still in the forest.
Yeah, look at this rock.
No, Brian, that's not a rock. That's a human head. JK.
It's huge.
Dork.
Whoa.
Loser.
Okay, I'm not putting it on you.
Still in the forest.
Way in the forest.
We're deep in the forest. See how far we've walked so far?
And
Just look.
I didn't really want to
Just from the
walk
ditch.
this far because I'm starting to get hungry again.
Oh gosh, but you just ate, fatty.
I know.
I'm not hungry. I'm like, cool.
I was just kidding.
Dork. I'm gonna eat your mom.
Once we get down there, really fast, grab the big fish.
Yeah, that's an ugly fish though. That was humongous. It was like, you'll see pictures of it.
And you'll see me carry